जी नेपाल एचडी टेलिभिजन अब तपाईँ सँगसँगै।
नमस्कार, कार्यक्रम हस्पिटालिटी एन्ड फुड टु टक सोमा म सञ्चालक गजेन्द्र मल्लको तर्फबाट हार्दिक स्वागत तथा अभिवादन टक्राउन चाहन्छु। यो कार्यक्रम प्रत्येक साताको बिहिबार दिउँसो 2 बजेदेखि 2:30सम्म र शुक्रबार साँझ 6 बजेदेखि 6:30सम्म पुनः प्रसारण हुँदै गर्दछ। विभिन्न हस्पिटालिटी इन्डस्ट्रीको विभिन्न होटल, विभिन्न रेस्टुरेन्टको विशेष चर्चा परिचर्चा गर्ने यो कार्यक्रममा आज हामी होटल वाटिकाको प्रमिसेसमा हामी आज हाम्रो यहाँको ओनर प्रोप्राइटर शिवाङ्गी राणासँग केही विशेष चर्चा परिचर्चा गर्नेछौँ। आजको कार्यक्रममा हाम्रो अतिथि हुनुहुन्छ चिन परिचित मोस्ट यङ डाइनामिक एन्ड भर्सटाइल क्यारेक्टर शिवाङ्गी राणा। यहाँलाई स्वागत छ।
Thank you.
Welcome to our show, Food and Hospitality to Talk show. Shivangi, can you describe your childhood, where and when your initial interest hospitality began?
So, म सानोदेखि नै अहिले जुन ठाउँमा हामी बसेछौँ म यहीँ जन्मेको हो, यहीँ हुर्केको हो. So the space that you see around you is actually my home. So I was born here, I was brought up here. अनि त्यसपछि मैले धेरै काम गरेँ लाइफमा. अनि आफ्टर मेनी इयर्स म आफ्नो होम टाउन फर्केछु, नेपालगञ्ज फर्केछु. अनि एक दिन भयो म आएको, टुडे इज माई सेकेन्ड डे. अनि आएपछि फेरि मैले अब आफ्नो ह्यान्डओभर लिएर आई एम गोइङ टु स्टार्ट रनिङ होटल बाटिका. To all the viewers out there, please come and see all the changes we have made. This journey started because from my family. My father started this hotel अनि I got into hospitality. मैले आफ्नो एजुकेसन स्विट्जरल्यान्डमा गरेँ, ले रस भन्ने ठाउँ. त्यसपछि मैले धेरै काम गरेँ. एज यु नो म 16 वर्षदेखि काम गरिरहेको छु यो फिल्डमा. अनि बल्ल गएर अब फाइनली सब ठाउँ काम गरेपछि अब आफ्नो होम टाउनमा आफ्नो घर आए चलाउनलाई.
Welcome back to our hometown in Nepalganj, and we will love to see you here. The dreams that your parents carry, that we want to see you fulfill. अब तिमीले सबै ठाउँमा गरिसकेपछि, धेरै ठाउँमा देखिसकेपछि, धेरै एक्सपिरियन्स लिएर आइसकेपछि, you want to make the change in this एउटा hospitality sector and this Nepalganj, and we'll love to see you. Even हामी पनि नेपालमा भन्दा बाहिर धेरै वर्ष बसेर नेपाल आएर के गर्न चाहन्छौँ. What do you want to say that those who want to go abroad?
So I think if you want to go abroad, to all the people who want to go out there, see the world, it's not a bad thing. Go, because the world is your playground. बाहिर गएर हामीले धेरै कुरा सिक्छौँ. मैले पनि धेरै कुरा सिकेँ. तर जति पनि नलेज संसारको गएर हेर्छौँ नि, प्लिज आफ्नो नेपालमा फिर्ता लिएर आउनुहोस्. Bring what you have studied outside. You are most welcome. Go see. It's good. Everybody travels अहिलेको टाइममा. तर हामी युथ हाम्रो देशमा नभए पनि हाम्रो देशकोले चलाउने भनेर कुरा हो. So this is my suggestion. This is my dream that people like me who have been out there in the world come back and do something. मैले त आफ्नो country, आफ्नो city नेपालगञ्जको लागि नै गर्न स्टार्ट गरेँ. It's very exciting. हजुर.
Thank you, Shivangi. And tell me something about your hospitality journey so far in Salty Crown Plaza, Kathmandu, Hotel Annapurna, Sales and Marketing Director of some American company branch. Did you walk to till your Batika?
So मैले स्टार्ट गर्दाखेरि मैले काठमाडौँमा स्टार्ट त मैले धेरै वर्ष पहिले स्टार्ट गरे हो. मैले काम स्टार्ट भनेपछि मैले आबुधाबीमा स्टार्ट गरेँ, रेनेसान्स होटलमा. त्यसपछि मैले चाइनामा काम गरेँ. त्यसपछि मैले स्विट्जरल्यान्डमा काम गरेँ. त्यसपछि म जब फर्केँ नेपाल, मैले आफ्नो जर्नी अन्नपूर्णबाट स्टार्ट गरेँ. आई वाज एन असिस्टेन्ट म्यानेजर सेल्समा. त्यसपछि मैले सोल्टीमा म्यानेजर भएँ. विदिन 1 year बिकेम म्यानेजर. आई एम a really good worker, अनि sincere worker. सो मैले अन्नपूर्णमा आफ्नो स्टार्ट गरेँ तर त्यसपछि सोल्टीमा प्रमोसन भयो त्यसपछि फेरि लास्ट इयर आई वेन्ट टु स्पेन किनकि मलाई के लाग्छ भने आफ्नो एजुकेसन यस्तो चिज हो जसलाई अपडेट गरिराख्नुपर्छ अपग्रेड गरिराख्नुपर्छ मैले फाइनेन्स 1 वर्ष फाइनेन्स म्यानेजमेन्ट पढेर आएँ because numbers is very important to make money. So finance पढेर आएँ त्यसपछि I got a job with an American company to be the sales and marketing director. I had my own team. I had young people, hardworking people. त्यसपछि the situation so happened अब world crisis नि भयो, pandemic भयो, corona भयो, and then everybody lost their job. I was one of those people because of course अब होटलै नचलेपछि how can we expect the management to pay? That's how my journey started. And I got this opportunity and today I'm here.
Okay. It's very, very interesting talking to the Simani. I told you this is about versatile and very dynamic since she's been a salsa dancer, right?
Yes.
She's a salsa dancer as well as she's an artist. And she's done so fabulous art. I used to follow her into the Facebook and Instagram, so I know what she's doing. And let's come to the next point. What opportunities have you been experienced that you feel been the most valuable part for your career development as a hotelier?
What opportunities?
Yeah. Have you seen experience that you feel you are a most valuable part of your career in development to the hotelier? तिमीले एउटा होटलियर भन्नलाई कस्तो चिजबाट डेभलपमेन्ट कस्तो आफूले विकास गर्न सक्छौ
होटल लाइनमा
हजुर
होटल लाइनमा
के तिम्रो एक्सपिरियन्सहरु छ
मेरो एक्सपिरियन्स त धेरै छ
तर कुनै यस्तो मोस्ट
गुड एक्सपिरियन्स कस्तो एक्सपिरियन्स
अब भनौँ न कुनै हुन्छ नि तिमीले कुनै एक्सपिरियन्स फिल गर्यो कि तिमी एउटा यो हस्पिटालिटीको लागि म जन्मेर रहेछु भन्ने फिल के
ओके सबभन्दा इम्पोर्टेन्ट हस्पिटालिटी भनेको पिपल आई लाइक पिपल सो मलाई के लाग्छ मेरो स्ट्रङ पोइन्ट भनेपछि आई लाइक अल काइन्ड्स अफ पिपल आई एम गुड विथ पिपल आई रेस्पेक्ट पिपल आई भ्याल्यु पिपल मेरो अहिले अर्गनाइजेसनमा पनि मेरो मोटो इज तिमी म भन्दा ठुलो छैन म तिमी भन्दा ठुलो छैन हामी सँगै एउटै मान्छे हो हैन एभ्रीबडी इज बोर्न इन अ सर्टन सर्कमस्टान्सेस तर एट द एन्ड अफ द डे वी हेभ द सेम ह्युमन हार्ट हैन तिम्रो हार्ट पनि बिट हुन्छ मेरो हार्ट पनि बिट हुन्छ वी आर अल ह्युमन्स सो आई फिल द स्ट्रेन्थ द्याट आई हेभ इज किपिङ पिपल टुगेदर एन्ड ब्रिङिङ देम अहेड टुगेदर जसले मेरो साइडमा मेरो नेक्स्ट टु कोलिगले मेरो काम लाइक हु हेज वर्क विथ मी मेरो 10 years पछि पनि दे वान्ट टु वर्क विथ मी सो आई थिङ्क द्याट इज माई क्वालिटी आई एम हार्ड आई एम स्ट्रङ बट आई एम अल्सो अ भेरी लभिङ एन्ड गिभिङ पर्सन एन्ड आई वान्ट टु माई टिम टु सक्सिड
Okay, Shivangni, what makes you to decide to come back home to and run your own hotel?
So it was an opportunity because of the crisis. हाम्रो होटल 10 महिना भइसक्यो थियो बन्द भएको स्टाफहरूलाई पनि ले अफ भइसकेको थियो हस्पिटालिटीमा सिचुएसन वाज भेरी ब्याड अनि बाटिका पनि खोल्दाखेरि अब सर्भाइभल मोडमै खोलेको हो वी डिडन्ट माई फादर इज सो बिजी विथ पोलिटिक्स ही इज नट अ बिजनेसम्यान एज लट अफ पिपल नो ही हेज गिभन हिज लाइफ फर द पिपल सो मैले के ट्राई गरेँ भने आई वान्टेड टु डु समथिङ लाइक टेक ओभर माई ओन प्रपर्टी माई ओन म्यानेजमेन्ट एन्ड द्याट्स हाउ आई एम हियर बिकज आई गट दिस अपर्च्युनिटी So we are starting from the basic and we are going up to the top.
Shivangni, last time we met with you at the what you call the we met you at the Tushara. At the time you were dancing at the stage. I saw you there. Okay, and the last part. Okay, anyway, what is the core relationship between hospitality and travel and tourism?
So
In your view.
okay. Hospitality needs travel tourism to breathe. Travel tourism means people also. Hospitality also means people. Each can't survive without the other. So travel tourism is when people come into your country or when people are going out. There are two types, inbound, outbound. Outbound is when people travel outside, inbound is when they travel inside.
Domestic tourism and...
Yes. So when people come into our country, we need hospitality to make them feel good, make them feel happy. When they are traveling, we need accommodations. There are around 2,800 hospitality organizations in Nepal. So that's quite a lot. So for those to survive, for those to breathe, we need travel and tourism. We need the people. And travel and tourism is the people who bring the people. So in a short way, one can't survive without the other.
So I would like to ask you something, being एउटा नेपाली केटी भएर होइन नेपाली केटी भएर एउटा हस्पिटालिटी स्ट्रक्चरमा अझै पनि मान्छेको एउटा नकारात्मक सोच छ नि होइन लाइक वाट डु थिङ्क लाइक वाट आर द की फ्याक्टर द्याट perpetuating gender gap in this industry?
So I think women have to come forth. है इट्स नट द्याट मेनले भनेछ कि तिमी आइमाई हो तिमी गर्न सक्दैनौ आइमाईहरूले पनि आफै चाहनु पऱ्यो नि त म गर्छु म अगाडि बढ्छु म त अलवेज प्रमोटिङ वुमेन तर
What are the challenges you did face so far?
च्यालेन्जेस भनेपछि अब वुमेनकै साइडबाट त्यो म गर्छु अगाडि बढ्छु एक्स्ट्रा टाइम दिन्छु भनेर हुन्न इट्स अस द्याट वी हेभ टु पुश भेरी हार्ड तपाईँ गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ एकदमै हुन्छ नि फोर्स गरे जस्तो फिल भयो मलाई वुमेनहरूलाई इन्डस्ट्रीमा देयर आर सम वुमेन हु आर अल्सो प्रोग्रेसिङ इन बिग पोजिसन्स बट आई फिल द मेन च्यालेन्ज इज वी आर स्टिल ब्याकवर्ड वी निड टु मेकअप अ ओन माइन्ड वुमेन हेभ टु मेकअप द ओन माइन्ड कि भोलि गएर जति मेरो हस्बेन्डले कमाउँछ मैले पनि केही कन्ट्रिब्युसन मेरो फ्यामिलीलाई दिएँ भने म आफै खुसी हुन्छु जबसम्म यो हुन्न वुमेन विल नट प्रोग्रेस वुमेनले फाइट गर्छु भनेपछि त मेनले भन्छ ओके गो हुन्छ नि यु वान्ट टु बी ह्याप्पी ओके गो एन्ड वर्क जबसम्म वी डोन्ट वान्ट टु फाइट फर आवर ओन वर्क how will we be happy?
So what is your planning in the you're after seeing around the world you have lots of exposure right around the world so coming back to the Nepalganj and it's like a small city right not एउटा उपना महानगरपालिका हो नेपालगञ्ज त्यति like is a transit hub पनि हो नेपालगञ्ज यसलाई चाहिँ कसरी प्रमोट गर्ने के प्लानिङ छ फ्युचर प्लानिङ
So Nepal had organized this Travel Nepal 2020 which we all know got cancelled and a lot of things happened but as long as we have the mountains the travel industry will always do well in Nepal. We have the highest mountain in the world. We have a lot of things, the mountains, the lakes. Nepal is so beautiful, just like Switzerland. Nepal has its own beauty and people will always come back for that. People always, Nepal is like a mystery to like people outside, so as long as that is there people will always come back.
So I would like to say that what do you think what are the potential that you see in Nepalganj to promote the tourism?
Nepalganj भनेपछि अब firstly it's going to be a casino city. A lot of people are going to.
Do you think it's going to be Las Vegas?
It's going to be better than Las Vegas नि त कहाँ Las Vegas लाई त Nepalganj is going to be number 1 नि हैन?
Sure. Okay. Can you share your particular memory that you have experienced during your times as a hotelier that makes you realize this was the right industry for you?
So I realized when I got to meet with people, when I joined the sales and marketing department, I realized that this field makes you meet so many people. In a day, I meet around 70, 80 people, new people, all the time. I have to interact a lot. And everybody's temperament is different. You have to learn to adjust, from like person who's riding a scooter, a rickshaw, a car or whatever. Everybody's interaction is going to be different. In Nepal, there's so many different diversity of people. So how to talk to them, how to adjust with them. When I realized hospitality means people, I realized that is the place, that is for me, Vanara.
Okay, thank you. It's like what do you think why is the hospitality career is a very important rather than any other industry?
No, I think all industries are important. There's no particular thing as only hospitality because see doctors are out there saving lives, lawyers are out there fighting our battles, so there are lots of professions out there in the world. Each one of them is as good as the other. Acting world is there because actors entertain people. Hamro sad life ma huncha ni aba movie herepachi we feel happy. So everybody's profession is important and hospitality is also very very important.
So I would like to ask you, being since all around the world you coming back to the Bajika Hotel Nepalganj, how are you planning to on the retrieve? It means like people are going abroad, right? Like after their education, higher education, after their diploma, they are trying for abroad. How you are planning to retrieve them, and young manpower this opportunity to inspire the young generation in a small country Nepal to work harder to develop their career in the hospitality industry.
Oh, यसको लागि यति motivational speech दिनुपर्छ. I can't tell you. I'm like a motivational speaker to everybody. Because people are frustrated, हुन्छ नि, they want a better future and everything, but there are also a lot of people who understand. But there has to be somebody to guide them नि. तिमीले यस्तो गर्यौ भने तिमी 6 महिनामा यहाँसम्म पुग्छौ, 1 वर्षमा यहाँसम्म पुग्छौ, 10 वर्षमा डाइरेक्टर हुन्छौ हैन. त्यो मोटिभेट गर्नको लागि you have to find a channel, the way to connect with them. Batikalai pani, I am starting it in 3 phases. First, building a team. Second, minor renovation. Third is like bringing what is missing in the hotel. About our hotel also, there are a lot of things that we need to invest in, we need to bring to the hotel. That is phase 3. First is, main thing is team building. So earlier we are hiring staff. Every day I'm going through like at least 25 interviews, which is quite a lot. And we're trying to bring a small team because we have budget constrictions right now. Hospitality ko line te yo coronavirus भनेपछि त एकदमै detrimental. No guest is coming, that means there's no business. If no business, you can't pay the staff. बत्ती नै होटलको कसी खोल्ने जब मान्छे नै आउन, होटल लाइनको त मेन त्यही हो. सो एकदम च्यालेन्जेसहरू भएको छ, बट आई हेभ सिन अ लट अफ पोजिटिभ चेन्जेस. लट अफ पिपल हेभ कम ब्याक फ्रम डिफ्रेन्ट कन्ट्रिज एन्ड दे वान्ट टु वर्क इन नेपाल, दे वान्ट टु गिभ नेपाल अ सट. त्यस्तो मान्छेहरू पनि धेरै आइरहेछ. नेपालगञ्जमा पनि यति धेरै मान्छेहरू हामी कहाँ आछ जो बाहिर गएर अहिले फिर्ता आउनु भएको छ.
त्यसको लागि चाहिँ नेपाल सरकारले कि पोलिसी होटल म्यानेजमेन्ट चाहिँ यो लेबर ल नभएर हो कि जस्तै बाहिर चाहिँ सिक्योर छ होइन, स्यालेरी पनि हाई छ. नेपाल सरकारले त्यो एउटा ड्युटी आवर पनि तोकेको छैन होइन, लेबर लमा कुनै एउटा प्रोटेक्सन र एउटा राम्रो सिस्टम बनाएको छैन नि त. त्यही भएर पनि नेपालीहरू धेरै फ्रस्ट्रेट हुनुको कारण त्यो पनि हुनसक्छ होइन.
या बट अब नेपाल गभर्मेन्टले त धेरै कुरा छ हाम्रो कन्ट्रीको लागि गर्न सक्ने होइन, जुन नगरेको हो. त्यसमा बिचरा हामी हस्पिटालिटी पनि पढ्छौँ. फर्स्टली वी निड यङ पिपल इन द गभर्मेन्ट. जबसम्म हाम्रो हजुरबुवा हजुरको एजले देश चलाइरहेछ तबसम्म केही प्रगति हुन्न देशमा. It has to be us young people who have been educated and who want to do something, who understand the pressure. Every day we are changing. आज हामी जस्तो छ भोलि अर्कै के आउँछ. टेक्नोलोजी पनि त्यस्तै हो. मान्छे पनि त टाइम समयको लागि बदलिनु पर्यो. होटल मात्रै होइन, अब लाइफमै देशमै चेन्जेसहरू ल्याउनको लागि त यङ पिपल जानु पर्यो नि त पोलिटिक्समा. सो आई फिल गभर्मेन्ट इज नट जस्ट डुइङ nothing for the labor law, is doing nothing for no one.
No, exactly. And so I would like to ask you something like after pandemic, like 10 months, it had been shut down, right? How are the dining establishment recovering after the pandemic?
Slow recovery. अब फङ्सन्सहरू अलाउड छ, सो सानतिनो फङ्सन्सहरू इभेन्ट्सहरू वी आर पिकिङ अप. रेस्टुरेन्ट्सहरू चल्न स्टार्ट भयो. सोसियल डिस्टेन्सिङ मेन्टेन गरिरहेछौँ. And there are a lot of things that we are doing at the moment. So we are starting very slowly. भनौँ न पानीमा डुबिरहेछ, मुखमाथि गरेछ, अलिकति सास आइरहेछ टाइप्स.
Like just to survive, yeah? What are your achievements that you have accomplished so far?
I have done a lot of things in my life, and every milestone has been an achievement. Hotel line, I worked so many years, I worked so hard, so that's a huge achievement for me. In my college and all, I always did well, so that is another achievement for me. Then मैले salsa सिकेँ, that is another achievement for me. त्यसपछि मैले आफ्नो degree complete गरेँ, that is another achievement. I started painting, that is another achievement. So I don't know, त्यो passion हुनु पर्यो, goal राख्नु पर्यो, goal सकेपछि that's an achievement for me.
So this is the last question that I'm going to ask you about today is like हाम्रो समयले नेटवर्क काटिसक्यो होइन. अन्तिम प्रश्न गर्छु हजुरलाई. Why hospitality management is an ideal career for the modern civilization?
Why hospitality management is?
Ideal career for a modern civilization.
Hospitality is a good career भनौँ. अब ideal भनेपछि त like I said, other professions are also there. Hospitality is very good because hospitalityमा it's all about people. How to treat people, how to serve them. So you are setting new standards. You're showing people how to behave with people. Sometimes people forget. Hospitality भनेपछि it means that you are giving something good. So I think people sometimes forget, and then we show them how it's done.
And what's your new year plan for your hotel?
New Year ma हामी Batikama we are doing an event. I am launching a new restaurant called the Beer Garden, and हाम्रो table candlelight dinner छ. अनि बिचमा we have a wall of lights, we have beautiful lights. त्यसपछि बिचमा we have a fireplace. So it's going to be a cute, extremely beautiful candlelight. हुन्छ नि अब एकदम let's say like a fairy tale New Year. होइन, a lot of lights, a lot of pretty lights, very good menu. हाम्रो chef चाहिँ नेपाली हुनुहुन्छ. He's just come back from Bangalore. So we have a very nice menu, Batika special cocktails, होइन. अनि त्यही हो, we'll all spend the New Year together. अनि आगोमा आगो ताप्ने, fireworks.
What's the time going to start?
It starts at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Yes.
Is that 31st December?
31st December at Hotel Batika. And yeah, so, you know.
Welcome to the Aldi.
Yes,
yeah.
please.
Welcome to the those who are lovers of the cocktail and mocktail, the foodie people. Is now here back to the Nepalgans, and still want to invite all the people here. Thank you, Sibangani, and thank you for giving your time, precious time with us, होइन. And thank you for watching us. And हामी अर्को साता नयाँ अतिथिका साथ नयाँ विषयवस्तु लिएर प्रस्तुत हुने नै छौँ. तबसम्मको लागि हेर्दै गर्नुहोला जी नेपाल एजी टेलिभिजन. हस्त धन्यवाद, नमस्कार.
जी नेपाल एचडी टेलिभिजन अब तपाईँ सँगसँगै